You searched how to buy shares of Hexagon AB, sir. B. Hexagon is a technology firm focused on industrial measurement, geospatial, and software solutions, and its Class B shares trade on CBOE EU under the ticker HEXA-B.ST. This video is educational only and not financial advice. Always research and consider risk before investing. To buy these shares, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker HEXA-B.ST to locate Hexagon AB, sir. B. Make sure you pick the listing that shows CBOE EU so you have the correct share class. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the live price chart for Hexagon AB, sir. B. Double-check the display ticker and exchange to confirm it's the correct stock. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to deposit more before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.